Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Transit front discs. Remove the wheel, caliper, and pads in a safe sequence and support the caliper with a hanger. Inspect the rotor and hub for wear and rust, and clean mating surfaces with a wire brush. Compare new discs to old ones for correct fit and thickness, and follow torque settings when reassembling the hub and wheel to factory specifications. Start by jacking the van and placing it on stands, then remove the wheel for access. Undo the caliper bolts with a 10 mm socket and carefully slide the caliper off, supporting it to avoid strain on the brake hose. Remove the pads and any retaining clips before extracting the rotor, tapping gently if it is seized. Clean the hub surface thoroughly and test fit the new disc before final installation and torquing. Work methodically and keep parts organized so reassembly is straightforward and safe. Use jack stands and wheel chocks to prevent movement and always follow correct torque values to avoid warped discs. Replace pads when fitting new rotors and pump the brake pedal to seat the pads before driving. Inspect for leaks and test brakes at low speed, confirming even stopping and no unusual noises after the job is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.